Day 20. Ask for a sign to receive clear guidance. This is a yes and video. I agree with Bradley about looking within to get the answers, and that intuition is a muscle because we have this inner knowledge, this sixth and seventh sense, and the gut feeling that never fails. When we silence the outside noises with meditation, we can download messages, and the more we exercise, the better it gets. It is interesting that the universe is always talking to us. Signs pop up in front of our eyes. And there are some people that go to psychics and mediums to check for answers, but we actually don't need that. Trust your gut. It's always right. Tap into your vibes, into your higher self, into your sixth sense. Plug into the cosmic intelligence. Breathe in the certainty and rhythm of nature, and breathe out the uncertainty and chaos of the mind. Take an intuitive walk in nature. It always works out really good for me. Connect with Mother Nature. The best way to reignite your sense of intuition is to go back to nature. The world is holographic. It is a vast and infinite net spread in all directions without beginning and end, and everything is connected. Along the same route, you may get unexpected nudges that also let you know that you are on the right path. Sometimes it seems that, oh my God, I made a mistake, but then after time, you look back and say, So, intuition is your birthright. It's a part of being human. Lead you to your highest good and move you towards your evolution of consciousness. So, the exercise for today, it's a really cool one. You're gonna love it. You can ask the universe one simple thing, and the answer should be a yes or no, okay? It's really cool, you're gonna love it. How to ask for this sign for the universe. You're going to make the question, inform the universe what the sign is. It can be a word, a song, an object, a call, an animal, something that you're going to see. Choose that sign, something that is meaningful for you. And the rules are, please don't push, don't overthink, don't expect a full solution, just a yes or no. So you're going to say, my sign is, this should be crystal clear whether you are going or not in the right direction. You will laugh, but in this exercise, your sign needs to be like a billboard. What Bradley said, you cannot deny. So, what if you don't get your sign? If you don't receive a sign, that's a sign too. You are always being guided, even if the guidance doesn't look the way you expected it to. So if you don't receive your sign, it's a no. Take another path, get more aligned, release this resistance, surrender, strengthening your faith. What if your sign is not clear, or if you feel unsure about it? If you see your sign but you don't feel connected to it, or if you realize that you maybe manipulated the situation to guarantee that you will get the sign, your next step is to tune back in. Meditate. Meditation. You say, thank you, universe, for showing me with this sign that I'm moving in the right direction. And then be open. Let go. Let go. Oh, that is an important part. To let go. That part, yeah, it's the most difficult, I know. Let go of is tough, but make the question, choose the sign, and relax. Wait for the sign. It should pop up in a day or two. Let go. Yes or yes. See you in the next training.